All right, these are Steel 066 stock appearing modified saws. They've been bored, ported, and the governors ripped out. All right, here we go for the obstacle pole relay race. Sterling Hart's down by 2. Andrew Madison's running away with this competition. Lumberjacks on your mark. 1, 2, go. Come on, they can hear you.
Everybody's getting down in this town.